Processing in Africa is a new fast-growing industry which involves several different processing steps. The farmers deliver different sizes of raw nuts. The nuts are filled into jute bags and stored in a continuous stock of cashew is important, not harvested throughout the year. Exact records of quality and quantity are documented to ensure traceability and stock quantity. In the next step, a steam generator is fired with cashew shells from already cracked nuts. The steam is used to boil the nuts in order to expand the shell. This procedure facilitates the shelling process and reduces the possibility of breakage. After the steaming process, the nuts are taken out of the steamer and air-dried for cooling. This activity hardens the shell and prepares the nuts for deshelling in the manually operated cutting machine. During the shelling process, the kernel is taken out of the shell for further processing. The shell of the nut is cracked, revealing the cashew kernel, which is then removed from the shell with the help of a gouge. The workers apply castor oil to protect their hands from the corrosive cashew nut shell liquid. On average, a worker deshells 250 kg of cashew kernels in a month. In addition to the manual deshelling step, some processors recently installed mechanized deshelling equipment. The benefit of mechanization is an increase in the output ratio. The decision of whether to use is largely market-driven. After retrieving the kernels from the shell, the next processing step is the dehumidification to facilitate the removal of the skin. Peeling of the skin is done by hand to reduce the occurrence of breakage. In cashew processing, quality is crucial. Each step is closely monitored by trained personnel. The kernels are sorted according to color, size, broken and unbroken kernels. These factors mainly determine the kernel price. With state-of-the-art cleaning equipment, foreign matter such as hairs and dust are removed to ensure high quality, which is appreciated by the buyer. Since starting work in 2009, ACI was able to significantly broaden the scope of processing by introducing appropriate technologies and the inclusion of health screening. The final stage of the processing chain is the packaging of the kernels. The quality manager fills the kernels into the funnel of the packing machine. Afterwards, the kernels are poured into a vacuum machine where they are packaged and sealed into bags with a net weight of 22.68 kilograms or 50 pounds. The ready packed bags are then stored awaiting further packaging or commercialization. To control for quality, the cashew kernels are categorized according to a grading system on the basis of color and condition. Peeled cashew nuts can be classified in up to 27 different grades. ACI collaborates with several major food companies as part of its multi-stakeholder approach. International buyers increasingly focus on cashew from African origin due to its high quality and long-term business relationships with processors. The German-based food company Intersnack is one of ACI's various core partners. The company actively collaborates with ACI in various fields of the cashew production, including support of farmer organizations and quality management in partnership with local processing companies. International and national organizations strongly focus on cashew from Africa for several reasons. The nut offers a high market potential and serves as an investment opportunity for public and private sector organizations.